Did you know that just 15 minutes of running can rewrite the genetic code of your cells? I'm speaking literally. Scientists discovered in 2025 something that will change everything you thought about running. Your body transforms in ways you never imagined, and the latest discovery will leave you speechless. Stay until the end because I will reveal the secret that is revolutionizing sports medicine worldwide. Hello! Today, I'm going to take you on an incredible scientific journey. Get ready to discover how every step you take is literally rebuilding your body from the inside out. I'm not exaggerating. Based on the latest research from 2025, I will show you 3 transformations that happen in your body when you run. Transformations that even scientists were impressed by. If you already run, you will understand why you are on the right path. If you don't run yet, I guarantee you will want to start today. So hit play, relax, and come with me to uncover the mysteries of the human body in motion. First transformation. What happens in your brain when you run is simply revolutionary. Researchers at Harvard University published a study in January 2025 that left the scientific community in shock. They discovered that running not only improves the brain, it literally rebuilds it. You know that feeling of well-being after running? It's not just psychological. Your brain is producing a substance called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It's like fertilizer for your neurons. But here comes the incredible part. In just 6 weeks of regular running, the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory, grows on average by 2%. This means new neurons, stronger connections, sharper memory. Scientists measured this in over 2,000 volunteers. People who ran for 20 minutes, 3 times a week, showed cognitive improvements equivalent to being 10 years younger mentally. But wait, there's more. Running also increases the production of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that enhances your ability to focus and concentrate. That's why many executives and students report having brilliant ideas during or after running. And there's a discovery that left me impressed. Running stimulates neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, even until the age of 70. This contradicts everything that was previously believed about brain aging. Researchers followed veteran runners and found that their brains had characteristics of people 20 years younger. The white matter, responsible for communication between brain regions, was better preserved. And it doesn't stop there. The 2025 study also showed that running is more effective against depression and anxiety than some antidepressants. The explanation lies in the release of endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, a natural cocktail of happiness. So when you go out for a run, you're not just exercising your body, you're literally sculpting a smarter, more resilient, and happier brain. Now, think with me. Have you noticed an improvement in your concentration after you started running? Comment now. It changed my focus. Second transformation. What running does to your cardiovascular system is out of this world. A study published in the Journal of Cardiology in March 2025 revealed something extraordinary. Regular runners develop what scientists call an athlete's heart. And this is not just poetry. The heart of a runner literally becomes larger and more efficient. I'm not talking about pathological hypertrophy, it's a beneficial adaptation. The heart chambers expand, the walls strengthen, and each beat pumps more blood. Here's an impressive fact. Runners have a resting heart rate between 40 and 60 beats per minute. A sedentary person? Between 70 and 100. This means the runner's heart works much more efficiently. But the magic doesn't stop at the heart. Running stimulates angiogenesis, the creation of new blood vessels. It's as if your body's building new roads for blood to circulate better. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic found that after 12 weeks of running, the number of capillaries in the muscles increases by up to 15%. This means more oxygen, more nutrients reaching the cells, less fatigue. And there's a discovery that will save millions of lives. Regular running reduces blood pressure by up to 10 mmHg in systolic and 8 mmHg in diastolic. For those with hypertension, this can be the difference between taking medication or not. The lipid profile also changes drastically. HDL, good cholesterol, increases by an average of 20%. LDL, bad cholesterol, decreases by 15%. Triglycerides plummet by up to 30%. It's as if running is a cleanup for your arteries. But here comes the part that shocked me. A 2025 study followed 50,000 runners for 20 years. The heart attack rate was 65% lower compared to sedentary individuals. Stroke, 40% lower. Heart failure, 50% lower. And you know what's even more amazing? Runners live on average 3.2 years longer. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality of life. The cardiovascular system of a 60-year-old runner functions like that of a sedentary 40-year-old. Running literally rejuvenates your circulatory system. Every step is an investment in your longevity, your vitality, and your independence in old age. So when you lace up your shoes and go for a run, you're doing the greatest favor you can for your heart. You're ensuring it works less and lives longer. Do you believe exercise can be more powerful than medicine? Comment, running is medicine. Third and final transformation. Get ready because this will blow your mind. Scientists at Stanford University made a discovery in September 2025 that could revolutionize our understanding of aging. They discovered that running directly affects our telomeres. Telomeres are like the protective ends of your chromosomes. With each cell division, they shorten. When they get too short, the cell ages and dies. It's literally how our biological clock works. Here's the revolutionary data. Regular runners have telomeres 16% longer than sedentary people of the same age. This is equivalent to being biologically 9 years younger. But wait, there's more. Running activates an enzyme called telomerase, which literally rebuilds telomeres. It's as if you have an undo button on cellular aging. And the muscles? Running stimulates the production of satellite cells, muscle stem cells that regenerate damaged fibers. At 50, a runner can have muscle mass of someone 30. The bones also transform. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that stimulates osteoblasts, cells that build new bone. Result, 15% greater bone density, 40% reduction in fracture risk in old age. Metabolically speaking, running is a revolution. It increases insulin sensitivity by up to 25%, dramatically reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Your body literally becomes more efficient in using energy. But the most impressive discovery of 2025 was about mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cells. Running stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis. In other words, you produce new and more efficient mitochondria. A runner has up to 40% more mitochondria per muscle cell. This means more energy, less fatigue, faster recovery. It's like upgrading the hardware of your body. And the immune system? Moderate running increases the production of NK cells, natural killers that fight viruses and cancer cells. Runners have 50% fewer colds per year. Even aesthetically you change. Running improves skin circulation, stimulates collagen production, reduces inflammation. The result? Younger skin, healthier hair, better posture. But do you know what the most amazing part is? All these transformations start with the first run. You don't need to be a marathon runner. 20 minutes, 3 times a week already activate these rejuvenation mechanisms. Running is not just exercise, it's regenerative medicine. It's natural gene therapy. It's literally drinking from the fountain of youth, one step at a time. Now, tell me, after discovering all this, what's stopping you from starting to run today? Write in the comments. We have reached the end of this incredible scientific journey, but your personal journey may just be beginning. Think for a moment. You just discovered that there is an activity capable of rebuilding your brain, rejuvenating your heart, and slowing the aging of your cells. And this activity costs nothing. It doesn't require expensive equipment, it has no side effects, it's available 24 hours a day, every day of your life. Running is the most powerful biological hack we know. It's as if nature programmed our bodies to regenerate through movement. So here's my reflection for you. If you knew there was a pill that does everything that running does, would you take it? Of course you would. But the pill is already inside you. It's your own feet. You don't need to run a marathon tomorrow. Start with 10 minutes walking, then 15 minutes alternating walking and jogging. Your body will guide you at the right pace. If this video changed your perspective, leave your like now. It helps me continue bringing quality science to you. And subscribe to the channel because I have much more incredible scientific content coming. Activate the bell so you don't miss any discoveries. Speaking of which, in the next video, I will reveal the 5 mistakes that 90% of beginners make in running, mistakes that can even cause injuries. Click on the video that's appearing on the screen now and continue this journey of transformation with me. Thank you for watching until now. Remember, your body was made to move, and the science of 2025 proved that it's never too late to start. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, here's a tip. How about going for a run today?